think when you look at the world today, there are so many essential services that are conducted online or with using computers or smartphones. And so I think it's incredibly important that we have classes like this, programs which teach people how to use a laptop, how to use the internet, how to do basic tasks, especially when you think about how quickly the world is developing on a technological level.
So today we're in Burwell in East Cambridgeshire at Mandeville Hall, and today we're working on our 5th cohort of our Click with Confidence course. This is the second phase funded by East Cambridgeshire District Council, and the reason we're able to carry on this course is because of the success of the previous cohorts we've run in Ely, Littleport and Soham. So we're working today with a group of people who are learning digital skills and will benefit from a device at the end of the programme which they can use at home and use their newfound digital skills on. We're really pleased to be able to support people of Burwell and of East Cambridgeshire as a whole.
I think it's really important because it enables people to live a much higher quality of life, and it enables people to live a much more convenient life. They're now able to do things that previously they weren't able to do, like, for instance, online banking, or perhaps interacting with government services, or ordering food online, whatever it may be. This program provides these skills and it enables a much higher quality of life, which is why we're so proud of SBS training and what they've accomplished, not only in last year's cohorts, but also we're very confident they're going to be able to achieve similar results in this year's cohorts as well.
I find the course very interesting because all my computer skills have been self-taught and on a need-to-know basis, and consequently I've missed a lot of basics, and this course has been very good in filling in a lot of the basic knowledge that would have helped me greatly in the past when I've done things the long way around rather than the shortcuts that I've been shown on this course.
It's been very useful so far because although we use the computer at home quite a lot, I think we use it in an inefficient way. We go the long way around solving problems, and this introduces the correct way of doing it, and the short form of doing it. It's very interesting. It also introduces or emphasises the security aspects of it all, which we're now going to take a bit more seriously than we did before.
And on this course, I find the information is more up to date. For example, Explore, I've never used that before. I find it so simple now. I find it an extremely good course. Thank you.